I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel vanilla pudding using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Don't forget 2 large egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything measured out makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that beautiful caramel layer. In a saucepan, gently melt 1 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat. Stir constantly until it completely dissolves and transforms into a rich amber color. Be careful, as it can burn quickly. Once it's a lovely golden brown, immediately pour the hot caramel into your individual serving dishes. Swirl each dish to coat the bottom evenly, then set them aside to cool and harden. Next, we'll prepare the creamy vanilla pudding base. In a bowl, whisk together the 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and about 1/4 cup of the 2 cups of milk until smooth. In a separate saucepan, heat the remaining milk with a pinch of salt and a few tablespoons of sugar until it just simmers. Slowly pour a small amount of the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Then add this tempered mixture back to the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring continuously until the pudding thickens beautifully. Once your vanilla pudding has reached a lovely, thick consistency, remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to infuse it with that classic flavor. Now, carefully pour the warm vanilla pudding over the hardened caramel layers in your serving dishes. Allow them to cool slightly on the counter, then transfer them to the refrigerator. Chill for at least 2 hours, or until the pudding is completely set and firm. Enjoy your delightful homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.